Now I'm going to introduce about the Flutter app that I made it. So when I open the app, there are two little icons on the top and the four big icons in the center. And it takes some time to load it just because this photo is way too large. I will be replacing it to a smaller size of image to run it faster. So this small icon, I call it as a drawer icon, and if I click this, I'll be able to see the settings about like a detailed information to change this app, but I haven't implemented those things yet. And on the right side, there are four little square icons, and they kind of represent these four square boxes in the home screen. So whenever you click on this, you'll be able to come back to the home page. Since we're in the home page, if we just click it, we're just basically refreshing the page and nothing else. So let me show you how it works. So say that if I go to search box, I can actually click on this home page box and it will come back to this home screen as well as the other. So just to show you, if I click it again, I'm coming back to the home. So inside of the search, there is a huge list of um, classification. I think it is about like a 230. Oh, and then the reason that is black at the very first is that it takes some time to load the images. So while all the images are in here, they just take some time to load. And I'm going to just scroll a little faster to show you quickly this huge number of images. Okay, cool. And they say that I want to know more about the wax paper, you can just click on it, and then it'll be going to explain the information about this. And as you can see, there's a title in the photo, and if I try to scroll all the way up, it eventually reduces its size and then disappear in white so that the user can see this whole screen, this information in the whole screen. And I was in the process of creating a little tab. One was for the recycling, the other was for the upcycle. So the user doesn't have to necessarily scroll all the way down to see the upcycle information. And upcycle is basically you use this, use the item into more creative form. Maybe you can create a really cool Christmas tree with this wax paper or something like that. And the icon here says the recycle near me as well as donate near me. I was trying to import a Google map and then locate the recycling bins and then donation boxes in the map so that users can actually find the location of it, but I haven't implemented this part either. And although I didn't write, like I didn't import the information, all of the information that I already collected and it is saved in my GitHub under the under the folder info. So I'm just going back to the search page to show you the search bar function. So say if I wanna see a cardboard or anything with a C, card. Okay, here. Um, this is a cardboard box pages. Like I said, it's still same thing. There's a little mark on here just because it may be the sentences may be right outside of the boundary of the cell phone. And I just need to fix this by creating a little container. So if I go back to the home page, again, there are four little icons and I'm going to show you the stats next. And I just complete the front end part, and this kind of shows the total number of collected items so far using the camera button, which I will demonstrate a little later. And it can save this much of power, and I also compare the number of items collected with the last week, but all of them need to be completed later. Right now, it's just the front end part, just the graphics. And locator, this is the one that I wanted to import the Google Map and locate all of the recycling bins on campus, but I haven't implemented this part. And the camera part, when I click on this, obviously it shows the camera, and I can take a picture of this, and it can classify images. And the model to classify images is all done in here, but I haven't implemented on the screen. So that is something that I need to complete as well. So that is it. Thank you for listening, and I hope you have a wonderful day.